Hey everyone, welcome to Forever Unique Ali. I'm Aliana and let's get right into it. In this video, I'll be doing online school tips and hacks for assignments and homework. I'm sure you've seen a lot of online school videos, but these are tips to make your schoolwork done easier and faster. I have divided this video into 3 categories. We have Google Classroom, Sites and Apps, and Google Docs/Slides. So without further ado, let's just get right into the video. First one is how to get teacher's email. Now, when you get a notification from Google Classroom, for example, when your teacher posts an assignment, it comes from Google Classroom and your Gmail. So what you're going to do is press the Gmail notification. Then you're going to press this arrow right here, and that's really it. So the subject of the message will be what the teacher sent you. So you're just going to erase that. And probably the number one tip, how to upload videos to Google Classroom easier and faster. You can do this 3 ways. Number 1, uploading it unlisted on YouTube. Yes, there's a specific spot on YouTube where you can upload videos using link sharing. Only the persons who have the link will be able to view this. This is great for assignments because you could just send the teacher the link. It's a personal Google account with your first and my last name and upload it there. The second way is using the Drive. Drive is great because it will always be saved there, but what you do need to be mindful of is if you're using your school email account, the only persons using the ministry account will be able to view it. And the last method is doing it on your laptop. This one is perhaps the fastest. What you would do is connect your phone or tablet using the USB cable to your laptop. You're gonna go into your files and you're gonna see the name of your device, upload to Google Classroom. This is how to get the desktop view on your mobile device. You can do this on most browsers, but I'm using Chrome for this example. All you need to do is press the 3 dots at the corner and press desktop site. It can work for YouTube, etc. For the Google Classroom desktop view, you're gonna need to type in this: classroom.google.com. Now I'm gonna show you to access the Drive folder. This is where you'll see slides teachers have posted using Google Slides or Google Docs. You're going to press this icon right here, that circle, to access your Drive folder. So now it's time to move on to the Sites and Apps section. First thing is how to find keywords on sites. Go on a site, press the 3 dots at the top, and you're going to see something that says Find Page. You're going to select that, type in your keyword, and it will be highlighted in either orange or yellow. You will see different parts in the article, depends on what you're reading, where that keyword is. It goes up and down in the order that the keyword appears. The first site and app is called Speechify. Speechify, listen to text with Speechify. You can download the Chrome extension on here. This is just a little overview of it. It reads sites, articles, PDFs for you. Try for free. And this will send you to the download page where you can add it to Chrome.
This app reads texts for you and has different voice options.
And you can also download it on the Play Store. The next site is rhymezone.com. This is great for writing poems or if you just need rhyming words. Rhymezone, Rhyming Dictionary, and Thesaurus. Once you type clean, you're going to see syllables, etc. You're going to see a section called Find Rhymes. And I press Find Rhymes Advanced. Clean, between, bean, scene, green, machine. Press this music icon right here and it'll give you lyrics or poems that the word has been used in. The wind is cold where I live, white and cold and clean. White and cold and bought and sold and heartbreak in between. You see that? Okay, yeah. Can we sidetrack a little bit? Do you see this? This is giving very much disco vibes, very much. Get into it. You probably heard this Grammarly. The free version is really good. You can download it in the Play Store as well as there is a site. So let me just head over to that. Grammarly free online writing assistant. This is great for writing essays. I already have the Chrome browser installed on my device, but it will basically be the same as Speechify. You can also download it in the App Store. So Grammarly will pick up that, hey, they doesn't go with is, so you press it, it would be underlined and it would also explain to you the reasoning to why it should be changed. Also, it works with Google Docs. And the last site I have today is sentence.yourdictionary.com. You'll see sentence examples right here. This site gives you sentences, but not the regular textbook sentences that when you use them in class, the teacher probably picks up on. These are sentences that people from all around the world have created, and they are also rated for you. So you type in the word, let's say we want small sentence examples. It's a very small window. The small birds were singing softly. And don't just copy and paste it, just use it as a base to write in your sentence. On to the last category, Google Slides/Doc. This is how to move the white background on text when you copy and paste something from Google. Simply put. So I type the meaning good and I want to use the second definition right here. So I copy and paste it. This is also the same for Google Docs. Let's add a background, spice it up a little bit. So you press your text box and you're gonna paste the meaning. In Google Docs/Slides, it would be interpreted as a white highlight. Select all the text, press highlight color, and simply press transparent, and it's just as simple and easy as that. Next is voice typing on both Google Docs and Google Slides. It's a bit different. Go to Tools and press Voice Type Speaker Notes. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. All you have to do is copy and paste it. You have to cut it because sometimes you might forget about it, so just cut it and then paste it like this. Now I'm going to show you how to do this on Google Docs. Go to Tools and press Voice Typing. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is also great for transferring notes from your book to your computer. And the last thing that I have for you today is how to zoom on Google Docs. Many people sleep over this. Yeah, so this is all you have to do. You don't want to strain your eyes, especially if you're writing some long essay or something. We have come to the end of this video. I really hope you found some of these tips helpful, some of these hacks helpful. I hope it made your homework process easier and faster, and also will cause you not to procrastinate. Don't procrastinate. So I'll see you in my next video. Until next time.